Well, as the title says, my digital camera has died. I have about half a tape worth of videos on here, but it's decided that it does not want to play back. That's what it does. It just keeps turning itself on and off when I put it in playback mode. It still records fine, just can't play anything back, which kind of sucks. So it looks like I'm going to be back to using the old 8mm. Have to get a new battery for it, but at least I'll be able to get more than about a minute's worth of video off of it. My memory card on my digital camera that I'm using right now doesn't have enough space to actually get a decent video from. But this is my video setup that I have. Old G4 Power Mac. But that's about it.